Tarun, Rohit, and I were working for the same organization previously. Laughed, cried, worried, thought together, and them we've considered them, we've appreciated them, and all. Hi, this is Jayashree Venkatesh, associated with Neocred Technologies for over a year as a HR manager. This organization was started by two dear friends of mine, Tarun Nazare and Rohit Reddy. So basically, Tarun, Rohit, and I were working for the same organization previously. Me being an ambivert would be lost in my own world when needed and talk to people if there was a real necessity. To probably make me feel comfortable and break the ice, Tarun asked me to join for lunch, and that's where all began. I mean, he made me feel so comfortable and good about everything around. So we became really good friends over since then. Rohit and I mean, Rohit basically being a toiler himself, he would never interact much with anybody. And then it so happened that we started talking on the professional grounds, and eventually that also turned into a little bit of friendship. So basically, by the time I became good friends with Tarun and Rohit, they already had this idea of starting an organization of their own called, and they had named it as well as Neocred Technologies. Um, and it so happened that the basic idea, I mean, later when during one of our conversations with Tarun, I asked what is the basic idea of starting Neocred, and all that he had to mention was, I want to be a catalyst in the market for cashless transactions, and basically he wanted to be more accessible to the tier 2 and tier 3 cities in India. Talking about the journey with Neocred, been associated with Neocred since day one. Being the, I mean, we started during the pandemic, and it was like really challenging for us to, work from home and get things connected, get people connected, and begin from there. And me being the only female employee of Neocred way back then, I mean, be it Tarun, Rohit, or anybody on team have never made me feel lonely. They've always been supportive and respected me for what I am and what I do, and valued me a lot. So that feels really nice. So we've laughed, cried, worried, thought together, and we were kind of mocked, and we were mocked for our ideas and the lack of experience that we had in the fintech domain. But then we've overcome all these obstacles and mockings, and what we are today, and today it really feels proud that people are comparing us to the huge players in the market. It gives me immense pleasure for having solely set up a team of 20 talented individuals from diversified locations, but who have pretty much the similar mindset. Really feel happy when this young talented team strive harder day in and day out, to make the founder's vision a reality. As a team, we've always stayed united, respected each other, but just like any other family, we've had our own set of arguments, crazy arguments, in fact. But at the end of the day, we cannot do without each other. We've always welcomed ideas from the team, and we've respected them, we've considered them, we've appreciated them, and also there are scenarios where we've put these ideas into action if we found it's really valid. Would like to talk about this particular angel investor of ours, Harish, who really walked into Neocred as an angel at a point where we really wanted some funds the most. And he later got associated with us as a general manager, and who's been, a strong pillar of strength to the organization. Talking about the future plans of Neocred, we very soon going to venture into the credit card markets. And the second thing being, in a country like ours with a huge population, say about only 25% of them are financially literate, and we want to bring in 100% financial literacy. And the plans for this being, we want to have our own communities and spread awareness through these communities. One piece of advice to everyone is that follow your dreams, believe in your passions, no matter what, listen to your instincts, and make a thorough understanding of your competitors before venturing into the market. I am ever grateful to Tarun and Rohit for believing in me, supporting me, and helping me through the journey, and also thank ED team for the opportunity.